Hi, hi friend, how are you? Today I will show you the low voltage breaker, and this is the low voltage breaker. And when you see the low voltage, there is the one main switch. This is the on condition, and there is showing the trip on off and reset condition. For this main switch, we have three analog type meter. This one is the ammeter for measuring the current, how much current is taking from the feeder, and second is the voltage, how much voltage is ongoing, and this is the kilowatt, how much kilowatt we are using. Okay, and this both are synchronous switch. When you will see the breaker, this is the main switch, and once you come here, now you can see here is the different compartment. It means, see here 1 2 3 4, like this we are connecting to the panel to giving the power supply for different load, different lighting, like this. So if you are check some in the one, I will show you the one feeder, means one breaker. So there is the on condition switch, means that is that breaker is on condition. Once when it will be trip, that will be come to here, and you can see this is the trip. And now there is a 1 2 3, it means green, red and yellow, 3 buttons here. Now this breaker is on condition, so now this one will be glow, and you can see the ground fault relay. This is called ground fault relay, and power is now on condition, that's why this one will be glow. We can adjust from here to the different how much you need the timing, how much you need the current. Means after, see this one is near about 10 or 9 ampere. If we are taking more than 9 ampere, so this relay will be trip the circuit, and downside the timer, so 0.3 second is the we are setting, and it means 0.3 second it will be the trip the circuit. So this downside is the manual condition. After trip we have to reset from the manually. Okay, once when it will be the trip, that this light will be glow, and after reset it will be okay, and again you have to on the breaker, and it will be the okay. So now you can see, check that another things. So see, you can see here, this is the off condition. Now this breaker is off condition because we are not taking power from this breaker. So the here is green light is glowing. Okay, and now this is the power is on, and it's means there is no any problem from breaker, so it is indicate that the power is on. So this is the some information regarding the low voltage panel, and this all cable is connecting from upside, because whatever you need as per your design and construction, you can use the layout of the panel. So sometime we are taking from downside, somewhere we are taking from upside, so this depend upon the your design. So now this all things is all power is coming from the means going from upside, and this is the low voltage. This everything is we cannot do without proper electrician. So I think this is the some information regarding you, and tell me what about your reaction, it's good for you or not, and what do you learn. Okay, thank you.